you have learned about Shivaji's childhood in previous lesson. Today we are going to learn about his education. Shahaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar himself and he had a lot of scholars and artists at his Bangalore court. Shivaji Maharaj's parents, Shahaji Raje and Jizabai, took great interest in Shivaji Maharaj's education. Shahaji Raje thus selected very talented and good teachers to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj's education started at the age of 7 years. Shivaji learned how to read and write. He learned stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. He also learned different skills of war and administration. Shivaji Maharaj learned wrestling. He learned how to use the danpatta and sword. This is a picture of danpatta. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji on a campaign to capture kingdoms of the south. At that time, Shivaji and Jizabai were at Bangalore. Since Shahaji had to go on a campaign, he sent Shivaji and Jizabai to Pune. Along with Shivaji, Shahaji sent horses, elephants, infantry, money, flags, and his trusted men and excellent teachers. When Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood. He was happy to see the tall peaks of the Sahyadri again. Pune was a nice small town at that time. Adil Shah had totally destroyed it and burnt it. Houses and temples were broken. People had to run away from the town. Fields were left barren. Forests had grown everywhere. Wolves and thieves were roaming everywhere. The condition of Pune was very bad when Shivaji and Jizabai came to Pune. When people heard that Shivaji and Jizabai had come back to Pune, they felt happy. A lovely Ganpati temple was built at Kasba Pet. Daily puja started happening there, and slowly life started returning to normal. Jizabai revived other temples in Pune too. Festivals were celebrated once again. Dadaji Kondev was a loyal and trusted servant of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji had appointed Dadaji as the Subedar of Kondana Fort. Dadaji was perfect in his accounts and was very disciplined. On Shahaji's instructions, Dadaji came to Pune to help Shivaji with the administration of Pune. Dadaji Kondev built a huge palace for Shivaji and Jizabai to live in. This was called the Lal Mahal. Dadaji encouraged farmers a lot. He did not make them pay taxes for a few years and made them farm their lands again. He gave farmers seeds, plows, wells, etc. He gave prizes for destroying wolves which harassed the farmers and the people. There were lots of bandits who were troubling the people too. Dadaji organized the farmers into groups and they kept watch and captured these bandits. The Dadaji then fixed land revenue according to the quality of the land. The people were thus very happy. Dadaji taught Shivaji how to look after the people, decide rules, and give people justice. He also taught Shivaji things like spear throwing, archery, horsemanship, etc. The people living in Mawal region are known as Mawalats. They were brave, hardworking, and quick. The Sultan really harassed them and they had no support. Shivaji felt really bad for these people. They were constantly on the run. He would talk to Jizabai about it. He wanted to do something for these people. Jizabai would encourage Shivaji to do good for the people. She told Shivaji that he was a descendant of Rama and Krishna, so he should also kill wicked people. In this way, with the support of Jizabai and Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji took charge of Pune. Shahaji sent very good administrators to help Shivaji look after the Jagir well. These were people like Shamrao Nilkant Peshwe, Donopan Dabir, Balkrishna Hanumante, Muzumdar, Atre and Sabnis. The people in Shivaji Jagir were very happy. They felt like they were living in Swarajya itself. In this way, the town of Pune got a totally new look. Shivaji turned 14 years old and his wedding to Saibai was fixed. She was from the Naik Nimbalkar family of Fulton. The wedding was celebrated in style at the Lal Mahal. Now this is a picture of Dadaji Kondev. Dadaji Kondev taught Shivaji Maharaj. Dadaji was the Subedar of Kondana Fort. Subedar means an officer in the army. He looked after Pune. He built Lal Mahal in Pune. He encouraged the farmers by giving them concession on land tax. He offered prizes for destroying wolves. To protect the people from the thieves and robbers, he raised peasant patrols. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. This is a picture of Veer Mata Jizabai. Jizabai was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav. She was the wife of Shahaji and the mother of Shivaji. From childhood, Jizabai inherited knowledge of politics and warfare from infancy. She learned that the valor of Maratha Sardars was not appreciated by the sultans. She did not want Shivaji to engage in the service of others. She wanted that Shivaji should establish Swaraj. Now, children, write down the question answers very neatly in the book. Before writing question answers, read Shivaji's education lesson carefully. Thank you.